The President of the Republic of Djibouti, Ismail Omar Gelle, who has business in Somalia, is trying to sabotage the President of Somalia, Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed Farmaajo. Ismail Omar Gelle is the owner of multiple companies active in Somalia, such as Hormud, Al Barakat, Salam African Bank, Dahabshil, etc. The President of Djibouti had sabotaged the 4 years of the presidency of Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed Farmaajo, and Ismail Omar Gelle is doing everything possible to prevent re-election for a second term Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed Farmaajo. Since Monday, May 3, 2021, Ismail Omar Gelle has created a secret committee tasked with sabotaging the re-election of Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed Farmaajo for a second term as President of Somalia. This secret committee is headed by two relatives of Ismail Omar Gelle. They are Ismail Hussein Tani, who is the former Secretary General of the Presidency of Djibouti, and Dilator Mohamed Dilator, who is the former Prime Minister of Djibouti. This secret anti-Farmaajo committee uses a lot of money or a very large working budget of several millions, and it can call on the support of different state institutions, such as the Secret Service, the Foreign Ministry, etc. This secret anti-Farmaajo committee works with all Somalis opposed to Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed Farmaajo. This secret Gelle committee met in Saudi Arabia the Prime Minister of Somalia, Mohamed Hussein Roble. Ismail Omar Gelle has vowed to shoot down Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed Farmaajo and remove him from Somali politics by any means possible. Evidence: Gelle had already paid the salaries of military mutineers or opposed to the President of Somalia, the National Salvation Army or Badbaado Qaran. Ismail Omar Gelle is preparing a rebellion if Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed Farmaajo wins Somalia's next presidential elections.